So this is the makeup I'm going to share in this video. There's no liquid foundation, there's no contour, there is a little bit of concealer. This is my face without makeup and we're going to make it into this. Watch. My skin routine is done. Keeping the video short, do your skin routine based on your skin type. If you want to see mine, scroll down or type my name, Sreenanda Shankar skin routine, and you'll find them. This is the Too Faced lip injection in original. Use any neutral balm or lip plumper of your choice. Concealer. This is the MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix Concealer. This is the Pack Brush 219. Blend it all out. Took a little extra for the eyes, so I'm just taking it from there and putting it on my forehead and my nose. Little bit of dark circles or these, eyes going in is okay for daily makeup. That's life. Going in with my powder foundation. This is the Pack 261 brush. This is the MAC Studio Fix Plus Powder Foundation. There is a new formula now. Go and get your own shade. I will get my own shade with a new version once I'm done with this. If your face is moisturized, a powder foundation for daily looks is fine. This is the Natasha Denona My Mini Dream palette, but as long as you have such neutral shades, use any brand of your choice. This is the Pack 204 brush and I'm taking a shade that looks like this. Some of you keep asking me about hooded eye makeup. If you listen to my videos, I've always said that if you have hooded eyes, take the eyeshadow a little beyond the crease line. If not, keep it within the crease line. This step just contours the eyes and is a very important and I would say effective way to do natural makeup. Now I'm taking a darker brown. This is the Pack 207 brush and lining my lower lash line. There are some things I will just do every time. Now if you want to also line a little of your upper lid with the leftover of the brush, that's good enough too. Curl your lashes if you want to. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I like to prime my lips with a nude lip liner. This is Hype by K Beauty. MAC Lip Pencil Plum. This is the Gloss Bomb Stick Hibiscus by Fenty Beauty. Damn, I love these. I'm now going to contour. This is Naughty and Spice by Nude Sticks. If you blend it well and use it in the angle I'm using it, you won't need to contour. Touch up your powder foundation. My favorite highlighter for daytime makeup is Hey Honey by Nude Sticks. Please use products of your own choice. Just follow the technique. Now just dab this on. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It's the best. Just a jeans and shirt look. Of course, I'll change my shoes, mostly into sneakers. Makeup is done. Hope you found that easy. Daily looks can be this easy. It's not about 10,000 things that I want to sell to you. It is about finding what suits you and make it easy. Till then, take care and stay glam.